In this video, we are going to share with yourself original birria taco recipe. We will be using all the original ingredients to make these perfect tacos. So let's get this started. Okay, so here we have one white onion and a couple of tomatoes. Cut them in bigger chunks. Now this is the most important part of the birria tacos, your chilies. So we have chili guajillo, we have got some ancho chilies, the all dried chilies, and then we have got chili arbol. Now these are spicy chilies, they've got a bit of kick to it. You can just take the heads off, put them in a bowl. We are going to fry them in a pan. Add some oil, some olive oil. Drop your all the chilies into the pan, and we're just going to fry them just for a little bit, just to soften them up. Once you're happy, you can just take them out. Grab yourself another pan, add some olive oil, in goes a bit of salt and pepper, and here we have the beef pieces. Now I've gone for fillet pieces. There's no fat in them. You can use them with or without fat. It's entirely up to yourself. I'm just frying them on the side just to make sure I get nice texture, so when I put them in the big pan later on, I can cook them properly. So in the same pan, just add your onions, add your tomatoes, mix them up until they are softened up. Add your chilies in the same pan. Give them a good mix for a bit. Some ginger garlic paste goes in there. Add some oregano, plenty of oregano actually. Some cinnamon sticks, I've just broken them down into smaller pieces. Just put that in there. In goes some cumin seed powder, some black pepper, and salt per taste. Now we're going to mix it all really well. Again, just to make sure we've got a nice mixture and we've got nice flavor. Now just add some light soy sauce into the same mixture, just to get a bit of taste, just a bit of a kick of soy sauce. Keep cooking them, just cook them for about 10-15 minutes. Add some olives. And what I'll do now, I'll just take it all out, put it in a grinder. We're just going to grind it into a nice thick paste. There we go. Paste is ready. It's got nice flavor, nice color to it. Grab yourself a deep pan. Again, add some olive oil. I'm going to drop all the beef in there, all the pieces. In goes the sauce, and then I've added 2 to 3 liters of boiled water. Give it a good mix. Guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, can I ask you to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video? That'll be brilliant. Okay, so what we need to do here is that we are going to boil the mixture. Obviously it's got beef in it, and that is going to take some time. I think it took me about 3 to 4 hours, and I kept adding more and more water whenever it needed. So once it goes past 3 hours, you just want to keep checking it, make sure that the beef is nice and succulent, because that's when it gets the flavor. You can see the oil has come at the top. That's one of the indications that it's getting ready. I'm just going to grab one piece. I'm just going to poke it in it with some tongs just to see if it is ready or not. As you can see, the tongue is going straight through the meat. That shows the meat is ready. It's time to take the meat out. So what we're going to do with the meat is we're going to shred it. We have to make sure that we shred it into nice smaller chunks. I'm using a sharp knife here. As far as the sauce is concerned, that is the sauce that we'll be needing later on. So you just want to separate it in terms of all the other ingredients that's left inside the pan. Now it's time to make our birria tacos. So I've got some. Okay, so birria tacos are traditionally made with corn tortillas. So I've got some corn tortillas. Use the sauce on the tortillas and get your shredded beef that goes on top. You can put as much or as little beef as you like. I put a nice big chunk. Some more goes on top. Beef has got nice texture. It has got really nice flavor to it with all the ingredients that we have used. I'm also putting some medium cheddar. Cheddar goes on top. Put a decent amount of cheese on top of your shredded chicken. There goes a bit more cheese. We all love a bit of cheese, don't we? So once we put the cheese, just fold your tortilla. Just keep it in place. Just turn it over just to make sure it's evenly cooked from both sides. Once it's done, it's the time to take them off and enjoy your birria tacos. There we go. That's your consomme sauce that we made earlier, obviously. Drop some onions, some coriander, put some julienne ginger in there just to get a bit more flavor. Guys, if you like this recipe, can I ask you to like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So here we are. We have got our birria taco. You got to dip it in this sauce and have a nice bite. As soon as the bite goes in your mouth, the meat just melts. You can feel how succulent, how soft it is, and with the corn tortilla and the sauce, it tastes absolutely brilliant. I'm going in for another bite. There you go. Grab your taco, dip it in. Nice. Look at the texture on it. And in it goes for another bite. The tacos were absolutely juicy. They were full of flavor. They're brilliant. They're not hard to make at all. You can make them at home very easily. In terms of the ingredients, I did struggle to get hold of them. Dried chilies. What I will do is I'll link all the ingredients in the description below. There you go. See you later in our next video.